Hey guys, give me about 5 minutes and I'll show you how you can boost your conversion sky high, how you can learn and earn more money online, how you can automate your daily tasks, how you can get more leads. So let's begin.
Guys, welcome back to this Pinterest traffic software, and in this quick demo video I'll show you each and every function of this software. So let's get started. First thing first, here's the cool dashboard which shows your Pinterest accounts which you connect to this software. Here's bold follow count, which actually shows your followers for your Pinterest board, and then here you will find total pin post and the total comments. Okay, and here is the graph that shows Pinterest traffic users, and here is Pinterest sources, which is from direct, social, or referral. So this is a cool little dashboard here. Let's get into the function side, and first thing is photo editor. So basically in this photo editor you can able to create images for your Pinterest pins. You have so many functionalities. You can add the text, you can change the size, so many things, font, style. It gives you so much options for customization. So that's it for this photo editor. Then there is bold section, but before moving to bold section I want to tell you that the first thing that you have to do is connect your Pinterest account, because it's very important that you should connect your Pinterest account, because then only you can able to utilize the functions like search bold, search pins, and the bold feature. So first, once you connect your Pinterest account here, go to the board section and you will find all your Pinterest boards here. Okay, you can see the category, pin count, URL directly. You can access your Pinterest boards from here, and your follower count for that particular board. Okay, and then move on to the search boards. So from here actual game starts. Okay, so let's say you search with make money online. Boom, you will see all the Pinterest boards for that particular keyword. Okay, and you'll see the total pin count and follower count. See, this is the feature that you never found anywhere. That this is the best feature, because it gives you the ability to see the total follower count and pin count in a one page. Okay, you can see this, and you can literally follow each and every board here. Okay, and the next feature is search pins. Okay, so just like search boards, you can search pins. Okay, so boom, you'll see all these pins here one by one. Okay, and instead of follow feature, as you know, we don't follow the pins. Okay, so what do we do with the pins? Think about it. You just have to go to the pin detail and you see comment. That's the best feature. As you know, most people want to promote their offers and they want to comment with their link. Okay, so you can literally put your some info and then call to action. That's your offer link, and just submit it, and that comment will get posted immediately. Or if you want to schedule it for later, then just click on here and set it. Will be, you will get the option to set the time, and then you can schedule your comment. Okay, let's move on to the next feature, which is add pins. So basically add pins is a feature which is similar to your Pinterest pins feature. It's just that we are giving you this option here so that you don't need to go to anywhere else, that is on not even on your Pinterest account. Without going to your Pinterest account, just using this dashboard here, you can literally select your board and you can put your pin description, pin title, pin link, choose the image and submit, and boom, your pin will get added to your account immediately. Okay, let's move on to the feature of URL shortener. As you know, most of the links get removed when you, or let's say you have purchased one domain and you didn't renew that domain, then those links get broken. Okay, But here what we are doing is we are giving you this amazing URL shortener feature, so you can just put your offer link, create short URL, and you can literally use this URL wherever you want. Okay, so and here you will find all this software video training for each and every function, and here you will find the Pinterest case studies. Okay, Pinterest case studies for the Pinterest results, and here you will see the bonuses from partners, bonuses from our side. And here, if you have any doubt, any queries, you can jump on to this support section and we'll take care of that. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the inside.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for my price discounted special.